Hey there, Samka everybody. Welcome back for another amazing video. Today we're going to be talking about what strategy should you be pursuing when it comes to investments and trading. Or like, should you be investing or should you be trading? Without any further ado, let's get this video started. So let's talk a little bit about trading. So trading is pretty much going in and out of the market on short period terms. For example, day trading, swing trading, weekly trading, monthly trading, all these type of stuff. And some people also like to do hourly trading depending on what type of asset class they're trading. Now, what's right for you? You have to understand this. This versus investment, which is a long-term investment, which is you put your money in because you strongly believe in the concepts of that business or that startup or that idea, and you're holding it for long term. You're holding for 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. One good example of this is the people that invested in Amazon in the early stages have made, we're talking hundreds of percentage return, because Amazon had a low period time in the initial years, and now you can see it's one of the biggest organizations in the world. And that was due to investing. People who held their money in tough times reap the benefits on the good times, right? So when it comes to trading, you have to use skills such as technical fundamentals, charting, and that helps you decide, should I go into the trade or should I come out of the trade? And usually using these different techniques, you should be able to make a 70 to 75 probability chance of the right decision, right? Well, after making these charting analysis, these technical analysis, these fundamental analysis, you're like, okay, I understand that in 2-3 weeks or 2 weeks, there's going to be an M pattern where it means the market's going to go down, plus there's a potential of interest rates increasing, so market's going to go down, plus 4 or 5 things other. Okay, 9 out of the 10 indicators say it's going to go down, so it's going to most likely go down. So I'm going to make a decision that it's going down, and so I can sell it now, and then I can wait again when it goes down to buy it and reap the benefits of it going back up. So that's like the mindset when it comes to trading. But what is the mindset when it comes to investment? So investment is you read about a product or a project and you believe in the next 5 or 10 years, that's where the entire global industry is heading towards. For example, I'm a strong believer that quite a bit of our automotives will turn towards, actually not quite a bit, almost all of our automotive companies will move towards electric cars. And now because that's a goal because of the Paris Agreement, the Sustainable Development Goals. And I think a majority of the countries have signed up upon that they will go fully green by, I think, 2030 or 2025 or something like that, where also majority of the automotive companies have signed up that they're going to be a fully fleet of cars with electric vehicles. Now, what does that mean? That means, well, all the cars are going towards being more electrical, so we have to look for solutions within the industry that are aligned with that. So I've already started investing into lithium or commodities around electric cars, startups or businesses, and right now they're cheap. Right now those stocks are very low, but because I foresee 5 years, 10 years down the line, I'm investing in them in the long run. They're in my TFSA, and I'm not going to touch them, because I believe in 5 years, those same investments will be, 5 times, 6 times, or maybe even 10 times more valuable than they are right now. If I'm lucky, 10 times, but usually it doesn't happen like that. So that's the mindset that you need to have. Now let's talk a little bit about the pros and cons of these things. 1 second, just for everybody. For the channel, you gotta like, come on, you gotta share, you gotta subscribe. You've been watching these videos, you gotta do all this stuff. I'm teaching you how to make that mashallah money. Inshallah, you make that mashallah money, and may it bless you and your family and bring barakah in it. Let's make that mashallah money together. Like, share, subscribe. One of the big pros is that cost savings, and the real cost savings that you have is that you don't have to buy and sell quite a bit. So there's no trading fees issues. Once you're in, you're gonna be in for long term. Plus, when you're buying and selling your day trading, there's usually higher tax implications to that. So you're saving money if you're investing, if you're buying and holding. Another pro is that it reduces risk. So there's a lot of risk when it comes to day trading because there's a lot of volatility. Usually people only day trade things that are more volatile, and because of that volatility, people make more money. And that usually entertains a lot of risk. And someone who's going to be jumping into things that are risky, you have to be careful of that, your stuff, and that you're on top of it for the whole time. For example, when I was day trading for I was on the screen for like 9 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours, sometimes even more than that. So you have to be very careful in regards to this. Another pro is that there's a lot more simplicity in doing this. It makes your life easy. You buy, you hold, and usually it's the less riskier option when it comes to the potential of losing your money. Majority of the times, market goes up. Even after a really bad turn, market goes up. And if you see a bad turn, instead of you panicking, you'll just be like, okay, we'll just wait for when the good term comes, and you'll see it go back up type of stuff. So now let's talk about the cons, okay? So one big con is that the price risks, taking benefits of the ups and downs on the short term. For example, from this point to this point, the market's going to go up, or you have a strong feeling that this stock is going to go up. But even within that, there's these volatilities, right? So you can potentially buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here. That extra little boost is like an extra profit that you could potentially make. But because you want to keep it simple and you want to keep your life easy, you just wait it out. You don't look at the ups and downs. Again, another thing is the opportunity cost. As I've said, you lose your potential of going up and down, plus the opportunity cost of moving your money into different asset class. For example, if it's in the stock for 3 years, you could have taken that money out and you could have put it in another asset like gold, or you could have put it into crypto and stuff like that and made more money. So potential of opportunity cost. And then with that comes the lack of flexibility, right? So that's also another con. But anywho, the overall strategy, what I tell people is that if you want to go into day trading, you need to make that a full-time job. You need to focus on it. You need to practice it. You need to understand how you work as an investor or trader, and then do day trading. But if you're not into that, you're looking at making just a good revenue or good income, or just a investment on the side, you put it in as an investment and you keep that in your mind that it's an investment. There will be ups and downs in the economy, but in the long run, this is a saving that I'm looking at 5-10 years down the line. And I'll be taxed less in it too, because you can put in your TFSA and you can be taxed less for it. Hope you guys like this video. Take care of yourself. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you guys are doing. Are you trading? Are you investing? What are you trading and investing? I'd be interested in knowing that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Assalamu alaikum. Do subscribe, like, share, hit that bell icon for notifications. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more content. I'll be uploading more stuff in all of these social media websites. Thanks. Take care. Salam.